The Competitive Profiler application was designed to reveal your brand identity and compare it to competitive brands. This application reveals the implicit associations that differentiate your brand asset from competitive assets. While bidding for explicit SEO keywords in digital advertising auctions is easy, linking your brand with intended associations on the subconscious level is much more challenging. First, load your brand asset, for example, your brand logo. Then, load your most competitive asset from your customer's perspective. This asset should represent the competitive benchmark against whom you want to differentiate your brand. Click the Generate button to reveal the first-order associations that differentiate the most from each other. The length of the bars next to the response indicate the strength of association with the asset. Export your results and try to distill from the top-ranking associations a theme that best summarizes your verbal brand identity. Note that your verbal brand identity also reveals biases and prejudice that people subconsciously have with the brand. For instance, you see here that the association with the city of Antwerp for the Stella Artois asset and with Ireland for Heineken seem to distinguish these brands the most in the consumer mind. However, Stella was originally produced in Leuven, not Antwerp. It is apparently perceived as being from or associated with Antwerp, with whom there is no link in reality. Similarly, Heineken is from the Netherlands. It's not from Ireland at all. These biases represent valuable information, since they may deviate substantially from factual reality and provide inspiration for original frames of reference that have the potential to justify premium pricing.